In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. To do this, first just go and open up PayPal and then click on Wallet in the bottom right. From here, you need to have some money in your balance, so just go and click on PayPal balance right here, and that will take you to your actual balance. From here, just go and click on Transfer, and then select Transfer to Bank. Now once you're in this section, I already have my bank set up. For you, it may not show any banks, but what you want to go and do is just click on plus in the top right. From here, click on link a bank account. And now if Revolut is in this list, then just go and select it from here. But as you can see, for me, it's not. So therefore, I just want to go and click on the search bar at the top and then here type in Revolut. And then it says we couldn't find your bank. So then just click enter your bank details. And then here you need to enter the country of your Revolut account and the IBAN. Now I'll show you how you can find both of it. So just go and open up Revolut. And then what you want to do is click on your initials in the top left. After doing that, it will take you right here. From here, just go and click on account. And here in your account, click on account details. And here just select the currency that is your native currency, which for me is Euro. And then you will see your details, and from here you can see your IBAN, which you can just go and copy, and you can see your bank name and address, and you will see the location. So for me it's the Netherlands, as you can see there at the bottom. So then you know that you need to set the location on PayPal to the Netherlands, and then just copy your IBAN. And after doing that, click add bank account in the bottom. Now then they will make a small deposit into your bank account and send a verification code. This can take 1 to 2 business days, so it is not instant, but after it's linked, you will see it right here. You can then click on it and then click on next. And you can also choose if you want to do instant or standard, and standard is free, instant is 1%. And then just choose how much you want to send and click next. And then from here, just go and click on transfer, whatever it says at the bottom now. And then it will be transferred. And since I picked instant, it's already there and it just happens instantly. So now you know how to transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.